Thank you for viewing my virtual tour. Stunning 2019 totally rebuilt large deck invites you into this spacious mountain home currently used as a getaway cabin. Open-beamed cathedral ceilings create a feeling of wooden warmth and charm. The roof was replaced in 2021, as well as several rear picture windows. Heating includes a brick propane fireplace and separate heat stove, plus electric baseboard and bathroom ceiling heaters. Storage underneath for all your tools and toys. Cellar is leaving the appliances, most of the remaining furniture and the dishes. Just bring your toothbrush and enjoy the peace and quiet of the pines in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Easy access to Twain Harte, Dodge Ridge Ski Area, Pinecrest Lake, Yosemite National Park plus Railtown and Columbia State Parks, live theaters, excellent restaurants and more. High-speed internet available.